So today we have entered into the one more new chapter, and the name of the chapter is shares and dividend. So what are shares, what are dividends? This all things, okay, I'm going to explain you out, okay. And without wasting the time, let's get into the chapter. Okay, the formulas, the basic concept, and the basic what we say statements will all be lying on your screen. And while doing the sum, if any new formulas come, I will write on the screen. You need to copy it down and you need to focus on these sums. Okay, this is just a concept. Okay, you need to apply the concept over your book sums and you will get your answer. So let's get down. Okay, so now I have to tell you that what are shares. Shares, for example, this is a company A. This is a company A. Okay, this is a company A. So this company need to be started. Okay, for that it need an amount of just like 1 lakh rupees or 10 lakh. 10 lakh is the amount which he need, and it do have the members. 3 members are there. 3 members are there. No, do you think one member is there? Okay, one member is there having around 2 lakhs with him. So it's possible for him to start a company for, because if you want to start a company it need 10 lakhs. Okay, but for one member it's not possible because he's not having that much amount. So what he does, he says that do one thing, he calls some other people, person number 2, 3, 4, to invest in this company, the so-called company. But do he's going to invest? No. Then what he does, he says that, they says that no, we are not in a situation so as to give you the money. Okay, so then what he thinks, he says that from, if I want to start a company, more, how much more he need around 8 lakhs. He need around 8 more lakhs. Okay, to start a company, more than that also, because not only starting a company, because after that if you want to run the company, he need also the money. For that also he need the money. So for that what he did, he went to some person. He went to person B. Mr. This is a company there. He went to Mr. B. Okay, where he thought that let us take some suggestion how to start a company, because he already started and is running it successfully only. Okay, so he said that, so do one thing, what do you mean by shares? He said no, I don't know what do you mean by shares. Then he explained that do one thing, your company name is just like Raj Limited, for example, Limited. Okay, this is the name of the company. Okay, make some shares means small units, means your company value is rupees 10 lakhs. Just divide the company value into small units. What is the small unit? These are termed as shares. Just like 10 lakh na. Okay, 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh is the amount. 10 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh is the amount. Okay, it's the total amount of the company, total value, total value of the company. Now there he is saying that do one thing, you divide the company's total capital, or the value, capital means the amount, into small units, are shares. So how much? He said in term of rupees 10. One share value is rupees 10. So how many is going to get? This is the share value. One share value of this company called Raj Limited is rupees 10. So how many shares he will get? Divided that one. So 1 lakh shares he can make. He can make 1 lakh shares. Okay, so Mr. A can make 1 lakh shares in the name of his company, whose value is rupees 10 per share. One share is value, this one. And he says that he gives an invitation, okay, or just like in a public notice to everyone, that whoever is interested to invest in this company, you can invest where the value of the share is rupees 10, is very less value. So Mr. For example, then comes the 3% again, 3% more than that. So this is C, D, E. What C says, C saw the invitation as a public notice, and he says that okay, I am ready to invest in the company. I need around 1000 shares. How many shares he need? He need 1000 shares. What is the value of one share? So rupees 10. So 1000 shares will be, so total amount how much is going to pay? 1000 into 10. So he is going to pay 10,000 amount. Okay, done. So he got 10,000 from this guy, and he says I need 10,000 shares. 10,000 shares. So one value is rupees 10. So 10,000 into 10 how much? Rupees 1 lakh he is going to pay. Like this he is going to get the entire amount from the outside people. And what is the advantage of these people? Because what is the advantage, why they are giving this one? Because whenever a company is making a profit, okay, so according to the shares what they are holding, the amount will be divided. Okay, so this is the thing. So that dividend, that profit is termed as dividend, or you can say annual dividend. Okay, understood? Okay, okay, understood now this thing what I'm going to tell you. So this is the way, okay, this person is going to raise the fund to start a company. So these are small units are shares, and what they are going to get on return of the shares which they have purchased for this value is known as what? Dividend. Okay, and the market value, sometimes you see, now he starting the company, so this is the value which he has fixed for a single share. So that is the nominal value, fixed value, par value, whatever they say. Okay, 10 rupees. Now this value in the, if he, this person or this company is working nicely for 2 to 3 years, so the value of the share after 2 years will be same. No sir, when he is doing nice work, so obviously he should take more money as compared to rupees 10. Okay, now for example after 2 years he is going to demand rupees 15 rupees instead of 10 rupees. Okay, there is a great change, from 10 it went to 15, so there is an increase of 5 rupees. So now what is this amount? This is a market value. Why? Because according to the market, now he is having a better position in the market, so now he is going to demand extra 5 rupees, okay, on each and every share. Okay, so rupees 15, again he will take it from this guy. No, this is already purchased, so they are the members, they are the shareholders, they cannot take again. Okay, if they are, want to buy in this case, then he has to pay, but now his share value is 15 rupees. This is a market value, this is a nominal value. Now in case if the is not working nicely, so company value will decrease or increase, or it will decrease. Then after 2 years he may have to sell it rupees 7 rupees, so value got decreased. So again this is a market value. So market value can increase or decrease according to their reputation, according to the work which they are giving towards the society. Okay, like that also. Understood? So what are market value, what are nominal value, everything you have understood. Okay, so get into the chapter. This is your next question. The question is, they are saying that Ravi invested a sum of rupees 50 in 50 rupees shares, means it's a nominal value, paying 15% dividend. Okay, quoted at 20% premium, means the dividend is 15%. Okay, and 15 and 20% premium means the market value is 20% more than that of a nominal value. Okay, if his annual dividend is rupees 600. Okay, total. Okay, now I have to find out the market value. Okay, so solution. So market value equal to 20% more than this one. So 20 by 100 into rupees 50. So how much I am going to get? 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So 5 2 ja 10, right? 10 only, no? 15%, 20%, premium is 20%, right? So it will be how much? So it will be 5 2 ja 10, na? So market value is equal to 50 rupees plus the increased value. How much? 10. So rupees is equal to rupees 60 is your market value. This is your market value of one share. Okay, so now what they are saying, we have to find out the number of shares. First question is find the number of shares. Okay, now what I told you, according to the values we will decide which formula we are going to use. What are the things we are having? We are having dividend is there, so dividend is the annual dividend is the dividend percentage. Can we use that formula in, because in this shares are also coming. Okay, we'll see. So annual DIVIDE and dividend is equal to dividend percent into shares, this is the formula, na, into nominal value, right? This is the formula. Okay, annual dividend, how much they gave you? So we are having this one, not having everything is there, so you can get easily shares. So rupees 600 is equal to dividend is how much? 15%. So 15 by 100 multiply shares we don't know into nominal value is how much? 50 rupees. Okay, 51 ja 52 ja. Okay, now shares we need na. So rupees 600, this will be reciprocal 2 by 15 is the number of shares. So let us see how much we are going to get. 600 na, 15 1 ja 1540, so it will be how much? Shares are 80 in numbers. So shares is equal to 80. 80 shares are being brought. Okay, so how many shares did he brought? He brought 80 shares. So this is the way. Okay, because of the value which we have played this one. In your book there are many methods, we will do many methods. Okay, but we will follow a simple method, that what are the values we have, according to that we will write the formula and we will see whether we are getting or not. If this is not possible formula, we will see any other formula. Okay, it's like that. So there is no mug up, just like. Okay, so next one, the total investment. Total investment is what? Means total money which you have kept in the company. Okay, so total investment you can say, so total investment na? Okay, total investment, second one is total investment, second part. So total investment you say, or you just say investment, invest. You know the formula of total investment or investment equal to the number of shares into the market value. If you are not having the formula, copy the formula. Okay, total investment or investment is equal to number of shares into market value. So number of shares is equal to 80 we have got, and market value also we got how much? 20 rupees. No, sorry, 60 rupees. So 6 8 is 4800. So 4800 is the total investment which has been done by this person. Okay, the next part is the rate of return on his investment. Okay, this is very important formula, rate of return. So there is rate of return, rate of return, return on his investment, on his investment, means whatever the amount he has invested in a so called company, so how much he is going to get, means what is the rate of return. So formula is annual income by investment into 100. Okay, formula, you write the formula. If it's not having, annual income is 600, they gave you annual income and dividend both are same, but total investment is how much? 4800. Okay, multiply 100. So how much you are going to get? You are going to get 12.5% is your rate of return on the investment which you did, okay, in the company. Clear? It's very simple thing, very simple thing. With this all things, formula is there. If it is not there when I am saying, just copy the formula. Okay, or the formula will be lying on your screen. Okay, whatever is there. Okay, so these are the formulas, right? Copy it down. Okay, so done this one. Okay, let's go for the next question. So the next question is, I will read the question. Okay, Mr. A sold 400, sold 400, in the bracket they have written rupees 20 shares, means number of shares are 400. So shares is equal to 400. In the bracket they have written rupees 20, means the nominal value. Nominal value is rupees 20. Okay, the per share at 5, paying 5%, means dividend is 5%. Dividend is equal to 5% at rupees 18, means this is a market value. So market value is equal to rupees 18. Okay, and invested the proceed, means he sold this one, and when he is selling the shares, obviously he is going to get some amount from that shares. Okay, what he did, he, without keeping with him, he has invested it in some shares whose nominal value is rupees 10. He invested the proceed in rupees 10 shares. Okay, now he has sold this one. Okay, so nominal value is next one is rupees 10. Okay, here he is paying 7%. So now he is getting 7% instead of how much? 5%. Good only. Okay, at 12. Okay, where market value is how much? Rupees 12. Market value is more. Okay, how many rupees 10 shares did he buy? Okay, let us write. Question is, how many rupees 10 shares did he buy? 10 shares did he buy, and what was the change in income, and what was the change in income? Okay, so now let me actually explain you this question, then I will do the sum. We'll do the sum. Okay, now you see one thing. Okay, the thing is that what we have to do, they're saying that how many rupees 10 shares did he buy. Okay, what he is doing, he is selling this shares he is selling to some person. Okay, when whatever amount he is getting, he is investing in this company. So company A and a company B, for example. Okay, so how much he is getting, first you have to see, because after getting that amount only we can invest in this company, na? So we don't know how much the money is getting, so how can I invest? So first I have to see how much I am going to get. Okay, so how much I am going to miss, you have to find out the investment. Okay, see, points I am writing. So what I am going to get, I have to find out investment first. In the question is not there, but according to my thinking. Okay, so I have to find out investment, first point. Okay, first I have to find out investment. So let us find out the investment first, then we'll solve. So investment is equal to, or total investment, the formula is there on your screen. Okay, or you know the formula, or I will tell you the formula. Investment is equal to number of shares into nominal value, market value. So number of shares is equal to 400 into market value is how much, 18. So multiply 4 8 is 32, 3 4 1 is 7,200 is the investment. Okay, right, 7,200 is your investment. Let me see. Okay, right. Done. Rupees 7,200 done. Investment is done. Now I got the investments. This is the amount which I am going to get when I am going to sell these shares for some company. Okay, so now I am going to invest this money into this one. Okay, so what they are saying, that when I will invest in this company, okay, this amount I am going to get the shares. Obviously sir, you will get the shares, because on that only you will get dividend, everything. So how many shares I am going to get? So it depends that how much you are going to invest and what is the market value. According to that only we will find out the shares now. Okay, so again what you have to find out, you have to find out the number of shares in the new company, number of shares which I have to find out in new company where I am investing. Clear, right? Okay, so how to find out? So this one simply divided by market value. Okay, so shares is equal to new shares. Okay, new shares which I am going to invest rupees 7,200 by rupees 12. Okay, so 12 na, so 12 1 is 12, 6 2 is 12, then 6 1 is 6 2 is 112, 2 0 0 2 600. So 600 shares. See, the shares got increased. Why it got increased? You see, previously 400 shares we are getting, now we are getting 600 shares, but the investment is same. How? Because the market value is different. See, market value is more. If market value is more, so number of shares will be less, market value less, because we are dividing, na? We are dividing with the market value, investment by market value. So denominator is more, so total will be less. In this case, denominator is less, the total will be more. So your denominator is more as compared to this one. That's why the shares is less. The shares are more. So 600 is this. 600 is the shares which we are going to get from this company. Okay, new company shares. Now we got the shares. Now what he is saying? How many 10 rupees? Huh? So these are 600 shares. Okay, he buy. Okay, done. And what was the change in income? Now you see, previously when he is in this company, he used to get 5% as annual dividend, means income on his investment. Now when he went to this company, he is getting 7% of his income. So obviously that income got increased. Now they are saying what is the change in the income, means what is the previous income, what is the new income, tell me the difference. It got increased or decreased? Obviously with the percentage you can see the income is getting increased. So first we have to see what was his income previously and now what is his income. So previously means come to this company. Okay, so we have to find out the previous income in previous company, annual income in company A. We have to find out this one, company A, then annual income in company B also we have to find out. Okay, so for getting the annual income of company A, what do you have to do? You know the formula. Okay, so annual income, third one, annual income is equal to, don't write AI. Okay, I'm just writing for you. So 5 by 100 into the number of shares is 400 into nominal value is 20. You know this formula, dividend percentage into number of shares into nominal value. Okay, you know this formula. Okay, so it will be how much? 400 5 to get 10, 0 cancel, 5 to get 10, 400 is the annual income when he was keeping his money or share in company A. Now according to company B, annual income is equal to same 7 by 100 into number of shares is now 600, because this company is having 600 shares, into nominal value is 10 nominal. Okay, 0 cancel, 7 6 are 42, 0. So 420 is the annual income in this company. So what was the change in income? The change in income was from 400 went to 420. So 20 is the change in the annual income because he has invested from one company to another company. Simple question. Okay, next question. Next one. Okay, so they're saying that the question is right over here. There are two companies, again company A and company B. They're saying that a person has two options, whether he can invest in company A or he can do the investment in company B. Okay, so now in company A they are saying that we'll give you 7% of rupees 100, when nominal value is 100, at 120 where market value is 120. We will give you 8% on 10 rupees at rupees 13.50. Nominal value is 10 rupees and the market value is rupees 13.50. Now he is in a confusion, okay, that in which company he has to give his money. So obviously we will go for that money where he is going to get annual dividend more or where the profit is more. So how to do this one? Okay, how to do the sum? If this type of sums comes, I will give you a formula. Okay, the formula is there, or I will tell you also when I am doing the sum. Okay, you can note it down. So dividend percent into nominal value or face value, right, is equal to profit percent into market value. Okay, so what we need, we have dividend percent is there. So dividend percent 7%, 7 by 100 into face value is 100 rupees equal to profit percentage, we don't know, we have to find out, into market value is 120. Okay, simple, huh? Cancelled. Okay, cancelled. Okay, so we are having 7 here equal to profit is there into 12 by 10 is there rupees. So cross multiply 7 rupees into 10 by 12 is equal to P. Okay, now it will be how much? Rupees 70 by 12. So how much are going to get 70 by 12? Wait, I will take out this one, then I will do the calculation. Okay, now same formula for this one also. So formula is D percent means 8% into face value is 10 rupees 10 is equal to profit by 100. Taking out the percentage because I need the value, not percentage form. Okay, so market value is how much? Rupees 13.50. So 8 by 100 here into rupees 10 is equal to P by 100 into rupees 13.50. Okay, so 100 cancelled. So 8 into rupees 10 is equal to P into 1350 by 100 rupees. So P I have to find out. So 8 into 10 into 100 by 1350 equal to P. Okay, this calculation also we have to do. Okay, so wait, do the calculation with the help of this thing. So 70 by 12, 70 divided by 12. So I am going to get 5.8. So rupees 5.8. So 5.8 is your profit in this case. Okay, in this case, so 8 into 10 into 100 divided by 1350. Okay, so this one is 5.9 around. Okay, 5.9 is equal to P. So so we are having more value in this case. This is a 5.2. Okay, 5.2, the profit which you are going to get as a 5.2 in the second case compared to the first case. So obviously I am going to invest in the second case only. Okay, it's clear. So this is the way we will do if this type of sums comes. Okay, understood? Okay, copy it down nicely. Now this is your next question. They are saying that I've just made it short, but I will read the question for you. Okay, so question is, Arun purchased rupees 25 gas shares for rupees 10 each. Okay, nominal value is 25 and the market value is less than that, means 10 rupees. A man get 4% profit on his investment. He is getting profit, not dividend. They are saying is a profit. Okay, what rate percent is the company paying? What rate percent is the company paying means the dividend percentage they are asking. What is the dividend if he buys 60 shares? He also asking the dividend value if the shares are 60. So information I have written for you. This is the information. Okay, information is there. So first what I have to find out? First I have to find out the dividend. Okay, so for that the formula is, first the formula is, wait, the dividend percentage, whenever the profit percentage is there, so try to use the formula, this formula first. After that we can go for any other formula. Okay, the formula will be dividend, dividend percent multiply nominal value equal to profit percentage multiply market value. Okay, this is the formula. Now we will see whether we are having all the values or not. So dividend we have to find out. Okay, this is unknown, right? Nominal value having, profit having is there. So this is the formula. Okay, so what I have to find out? I have to find out dividend percentage. So dividend dividend percent into market value is how much? Market value is 10 rupees. 10 na? 10 is equal to profit percentage is how much? 4%. So 4% into market value is how much? Market value is, nominal value is 25. Sorry, nominal value is 25. Market value is rupees 10. Okay, now take out the percentage sign. So it dividend dividend percentage into 25 4 by 100 into 10. Okay, now the percentage sign I have to remove. I'm just removing and I'm writing 100 right over here. So dividend is equal to dividend, cancel. Okay, but first no need to remove this one. First write as it is. First we'll find out the percentage, then we'll go for next thing. Okay, so 4 by 10 and this will 1 by 20, 1 by 25. Okay, so answer will be, now remove the point dividend percentage sign. Dividend is equal to, this 100 is there, not down to go that side. So 4 by 10 into 1 by 25 into 100, 25 4 ja. So your dividend will be VIDE and dividend is equal to 16 by 10. So it will be 1.6. Your dividend is 1.6. You see the calculation, the percentage I have removed. For that reason only I am writing the 100 below. So your dividend is 1.6%. Clear? It's a 1.6%. Next what else they are saying? They are also saying that you have to find out the dividend value also. To find out the dividend value. Okay, so we will find out the dividend value, but how to find out? Okay, dividend percentage we are having, write the percentage sign. Dividend percentage is there na? Okay, is there? Okay, now what I will do, now I have to erase. That's what I also do. I have to find out the dividend percent by this formula. Whenever they say, okay, whenever the profit percentage is there or return is there, so first try to use this formula. Maybe you will get this answer. If not, we'll go for any other formula. Okay, so dividend percentage is 1.6. I have to write here. It is 1.6%. Okay, I got this one. Now I want dividend. Okay, dividend I need. Okay, the formula, in which formula dividend will come? So dividend percentage is equal to, that formula will be there. Okay, let me write this one. So dividend percentage is equal to dividend multiply shares na, shares multiply nominal value na, nominal value. Let us see the answers getting or not. Dividend percentage is how much? 1.6. yes, it's 1.6%. dividend we have to find out, multiply shares is 60. They told you nominal value is 25 hai na. Okay, now solve this one. How much I'm going to get? This one when I will solve 16 by 3 zeros. Why point will take out? I'll take out the point of zeros will come. VI D and dividend multiply 60 into 25. So I have to find out dividend. So 16 by 1000 into, wait, anywhere any mistake is there? See, so there is a small mistake. Okay, there's a dividend is equal to dividend percent. Okay, okay, so dividend I have to find out, na? Okay, so dividend I have to find out. So let me write dividend equal to, okay, dividend percentage is 1.6% into shares is 60, the nominal value is 25, right? Right. Now equal to 16 by 1000. Okay, so this is your answer. Dividend is equal to 24 rupees 24. Simple. Previously you have to find out the dividend percentage. Okay, and after getting the dividend percentage we have to find out the dividend value. Okay, so what was the easy question? As I told you, when they gave you profit percentage means assume that you have to use that formula only what I have written. Okay, if not we will go for any other formula, but when it's working, why I will go for any other formula and make it complicated? So okay, so let's get into the next question. This is your next question. Okay, they're saying that Mr. Ram Gopal, okay, not Verma, only Ram Gopal, okay, invested rupees 8,000 in 7% equity shares, 7% shares, okay, rupees 100 at 80. Information, okay. After a year, means after 1 year, he sold the shares at rupees 75 each. What he has got for 80, he sold it for 75 rupees. Okay, where the market nominal was 100. Okay, maybe because of some reason. And invested after selling, obviously will get some amount. Okay, invested, okay, the proceed means including his dividend. Okay, means he invested the money, he sold some shares, he sold all the shares, he got some lump sum amount. Okay, and also some dividend he have received. Sir, why he will receive the dividend? As I'm saying that after he sold the shares after 1 year, so up to 1 year it was in a company. So in 1 year a company has grown and it has got some dividend, some profit. So that profit or dividend will be given to this person also. So he has clubbed those two amounts, the investment and the dividend, and both together he has invested in a new company. Okay, where he invested the proceed in 18%, where dividend is there, rupees 25, shares at 41, means nominal value is 25, market value is 41. Now you have to find out the dividend for first year. He has kept his shares in a company, starting company, for 1 year na. So there he got a dividend, na? The dividend he got for 1 year na. So first you have to find out the dividend. Okay, okay, the picture is clear, miss. This is a company A, this is a company B. He kept it for 1 year and he thought that he's watching that the shares value is getting decreased. So he thought that it's a best time to sell the shares, otherwise there will be a huge loss in the future. So he has taken out the shares and he sold it, okay, when the market value has brought down to 75. So he got many amount. Because of the shares he will get some amount, in that is investment. Okay, and after 1 year he has done the sales, so obviously he is going to get the dividend also. So what he did, neither keeping the dividend with him, he said that I will invest the dividend plus the investment, so my investment will be more, so I can buy more number of shares in this company. Okay, understood? Okay, so what are the things I have to find out? First, the dividend of this company, how much I am getting the dividend. As it has been said, it is sold after 1 year. Remember this thing. Solution. So dividend after 1 year. So dividend is equal to, so I have to find out dividend. So I have to find out dividend. So formula I know, VI DE, and dividend is equal to, what is the dividend percent? 7 na. So 7 dividend percentage, I'm just saying the formula, dividend percentage multiply the number of shares into nominal value na. Okay, nominal value is rupees 100, number of shares are not there. So how to find out number of shares? Formula is there na, because here the formula will be number of shares. Okay, I'm not having the number of shares, but how to find out the shares formula? Shares is equal to investment by market value. So instead of shares, can I write investment market value here? Yes sir, I can write. So investment is rupees 8123 by market value is how much? Rupees 80. Okay, I have to solve this one. I'm going to get the answer. Okay, 100 cancelled. 1 ja 100. Okay, so my answer is 700 rupees. 700 is the dividend which I am going to get. Is right? Obviously it will be right only. Okay, 700 is the dividend which I am going to get in the first year. What is the second part? I have to find out the annual income in the second year. Okay, annual income is after that he is selling the value. Okay, now he got the dividend. Okay, now we will go step by step, because the chapter of this company A is not closed. Why? Because I have received the dividend. Received the dividend is rupees 700. Okay, after that what I did, I have sold the shares. How many shares? You know? No, I don't know, sir. So you have to find out, na? Okay, so it will be how much? 100 rupees, 100 shares, na? 100 shares, right? 100 shares. 100 shares I have sold it. Okay, after selling 100 shares, I will have some amount. What is that amount? Because the chapter is not closed, I have to close this company A's account by getting the dividend, by getting the invested amount. So I got the dividend, done. One more thing is that I have to get the investment. How much I am going to get by selling this one? Then it is closed. I will go for the next one. Okay. So investor amount received by selling rupees 100 shares at rupees 7. At what I am selling, sir? 70. Sir, you have bought it for 80, huh? It's getting decreased now. So what I can do, I have to sell it out. So this is not, this value is not I'm going to get for one share. This is the value I'm going to get. So that's why I'm selling it. Maybe in the future I will get more less than this one. That's why I'm selling it. So 100 into 75. So it will be rupees 7500. So this is the amount which I'm going to get at the end of 1 year by selling the 100 goods. Okay, now the chapter of this thing is closed. Okay, so I am leaving company because I got the amount by selling the shares, and I got the dividend also. So no use. Okay, I sold it also. Okay, now this one. Now what I am doing? Now I have sold. Now total how much I am having? This told me that I am investing the sold amount as well as the dividend. Okay, so total amount which I am going to invest is total amount, and we invested in next company in invested is equal to, so 7,500 plus how much? 700. So it will be 8,200 is the total amount which I am going to invest in this company. Okay, so investment I got them. Now investment I got. So now what I have to do? Okay, they are asking the dividend, na? Okay, so I got the investment. Just a second. 8,200. Right answer. Okay, I got the investment. Now they are saying that you have to find out the dividend which you are going to receive from this company. Okay, so I know the formula, dividend, same formula, the formula which I have applied for this company, same formula for that one. What is the changes then? Percentage is 7% here 18%. Here nominal value is 100, here nominal value is 25. Here what shares are 8,000 by 80, 100 shares means, but here it will be investment how much? 8,200, na? In this company how much I am investing? 8,200 by how much value? Market of 41. That will be the difference. Okay, so dividend is equal to dividend percentage is 18 by 100. I'm saying the formula also, into nominal value into shares. Shares means investment by market value, but the investment here this company is different. Investment is 8,200 by market value is also different. How much? 41. Solve this one. Let us see after solving how much I'm going to get. 1 ja 4 ja, na? 2 ja 9 ja. Next 41 1 ja 200 ja. Next 2 1 ja 100 ja. So 900 is the dividend. Is it 900 is the dividend, right? So 900 is the dividend which I am going to get from this company. See, I am getting more dividend, na? 700 in the first company, so it's a loss for me. That's why I have kept in this company where I am getting more amount of dividend as compared to the previous one. So there's okay. Next what they are asking to find out in this one, they are saying to find out the percentage increase in the return on his original investment. How much percentage increase in the income was there? Okay, percentage increase means that income by investment into 100. The formula is already explained you. Okay, how much increase is there? Increase, how much is the increase? Wait, increase in income. Increase. Okay, increase in the income is how much? Rupees 900 minus rupees 700. So it will be rupees 200 is the increase in income. So what was the original investment, sir? 8,000. Okay, so percentage of increase in the investment is rupees 200 by rupees 8,000 multiply 100. So how much you're going to get? Wait, I will tell you. 2.5%. 2.5% is your increase in the return. Okay, when you have shifted from one company to another company. Very interesting question, very useful question, a very important question also. Okay. Okay, just me, I will explain one more time the summary. Okay. So, Mr. Some person is this way, so he has invested in this company and he saw that market value is getting decreased. Slowly, the shares value is getting decreased. So he got scared. So he said that it's the best time to remove the money from this company and to get into this company. Okay, along with the dividend, because 1 year is done now. So we have taken out the investment. Okay, we have taken out the dividend. We have kept in this money. Also, very simple question, very easy question. And if you will see the previous question which we did, in that we are not adding the dividend. Why? Because that is not, they are not saying that it is after 1 year there is a sale, or they are not saying that you have to include the dividend. If it is being said, you have to do like that only. The two questions are similar, but the only the difference is that I am adding the dividend right over here, I am not adding the dividend in that question. Clear? Okay. Now we will discuss a question where 3 questions are of same type, but how they are shown in the textbook and how to do them, I will tell you today. Okay, you see the question clearly, they are of same thing. Now I will read the question and you have to copy it down, because 3 questions I am going to solve simultaneously one after the other. So I require the space, and you seeing the space, I am having very little space. Okay, so I will tell you the question, you write the question for this one, and then I will tell you, I will plot the values, and again I will tell you the question like this. In just a, you turn your copy. Okay, if your copy is like this, you turn your copy like this. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Okay, so question is, A and B invest rupees 12,000 each in buying the shares of 2 companies. Okay, A buys 15% rupees 100 shares at discount of 20. So 15% is the dividend, 100 rupees, discount means minus 20 means 80. You know this one. Well, B buys rupees 25 shares at a premium of rupees 20%, means if we will do 20%, answer will be 30. Okay, if both receive equal dividend, very important point, both received equal dividend. Okay, so what you have to find out? You have to find out the rate percent of dividend declared by B's company. Okay, you have to find out the rate percent of this B's company. Okay, copy it down, the question which I have explained you. This is your next one, similar one. You see the way I have written it out down also here also, so it will be easy to compare. Okay, investment, I will read the question. Okay, you write the question, then do this one. Okay, again see, okay, a person is there, he is investing in 2 companies, C and D. There are 2 companies. Okay, 100 rupees shares of a company C is available at 10% premium, means 110 market value, and paying 8% dividend. Okay, whereas rupees 50 shares of a company D is available at 12% discount, means you minus that one, you will get the value of writing weight, and paying a 7% dividend. If we invest equal in both the companies, equal investment is equal. Okay, one more point is there, investment is equal in both the companies, means how much he has invested, means how much invested in this company, same investment was done in this company. Okay, so investment is same, investment is same. One more point, important point. Okay, and this says that, okay, and the sum of his annual income is, sum of their annual income is 1340. Annual income of both the companies sum will give you this much, means annual income from this company is dividend, and this one, when you will add these two, you will get this one. Okay, so one more then, the third one. So third one they are saying that again E and F. Okay, 2 companies, a person invests in both the companies. Okay, and the investment is, a man invests 13500 partially. You see nicely, investment gap is there. Investment is 13500 in both the companies, but not in equal proportion, means not equally, half, or not, means equal proportion means not 13,500 and 13,500, not half of that, not proportion, means how much we don't know. So we'll discuss it afterwards, but just I'm explaining the question. Okay, so that's why we cannot take this one in the first case. Okay, first I will explain this one. Okay, and they're saying that in 6% rupees 100 shares at rupees 140 for first one, and partially and remaining money in 5% rupees 100 shares at rupees 125. Done. if his total income is 560, okay, total income they give 560, means from this company and this company when you add it will be 560, just like this one. Annual income both the companies, sum is this one, same thing they gave you. Okay, how much both has invested in the companies each, sorry. Okay, now I will tell you that what are the similarities and what are the dissimilarities and how to answer this question. See, first case investment is there, second case investment is not there, third case investment is not there, and remaining everything is common. They gave you everything. So investment is there. Okay, so both received equal dividend, dividend is equal. If I am having everything equal, dividend is equal, so I will say that what I can use this one here, I can say that dividend 5, there is nothing else. Okay, so solution I can say that if both dividends are equal, so if I will say annual dividend of this company A1, assume annual dividend is A1, AD1, okay, and this one is annual dividend of company 2, or you can write B. So both are same na, both is equal dividend. Okay, I can say this one. Sorry. Okay, now here in this solution, okay, annual income both the companies is sum. Okay, when you add both the annual income is this much. Here annual income is dividend, same thing, is equal, but here it's not equal when you have to add. So annual dividend 1 plus annual dividend 2 is equal to 1340. This picture is clear. Okay, now here let's see annual dividend, different names is there. Total income is this one, total means same thing when you add this one. So solution, annual dividend 1 plus annual dividend 2 is equal to rupees 560 na, what I'm writing 560. Up to here it's clear, very clear. Yes sir, it's very clear, very clear. Okay, just like a song is coming. So in case 1, means first one, here we have to find out the rate percent of the dividend, B. Okay, so ultimately our target is to find out the rate here, dividend. First we'll find out the dividend, then we'll find out the rate dividend. Rate of something we have to find out. So for that you have to find out the dividend and you have to take out the percentage of that particular dividend. Okay, here sir, obviously investment we have to take out. Okay, investment is same means whatever the answer you are going to get here, same answer you are going to get, means investment of C will be equal to investment of D. Clear this thing? Yes sir. Here investment only I have to find out, but investment is this one in both the companies but not equal proportion, they are not in equal. So how much he has given, we don't know. So in this case what we used to do, we will say that he is having X dividend and remaining he will have the total dividend is this one na? If total is, for example, if total is 100, it is being divided between two members A and B. Okay, it's not equally, not 50-50. Okay, they are saying that we don't know how much it has been given, but in some proportion. So for example they are saying that he has been given 10 rupees. So you will be, sir, 100 minus 10, 90. Okay, so for example he has been given X, so this will be, sir, 100 minus X, same thing. So that's what I am going to apply the rule right over here. Okay, so we don't know how much. So let the investment be given or given by E is equal to rupees X, and this will be remaining is how much, rupees, how much, 13500 minus X. Sorry, there is lack of space. That's your investment. Okay, this is the first step, you have to write it in your copy. Okay, understood? See the difference, very easy, means how they are changing the question, they are trying to make you confused, but all are similar. So for that reason only I brought this question for you in a single picture. Okay, the way they say na, that badi movie chote parde pe, the same thing. Okay, you just copy it down by, okay, after that we'll do it individually because that much space we doesn't have, as I told you. So first this one, annual dividend 1, annual dividend, how to find out this one? So we know the formula then. Okay, so dividend, annual dividend na, okay, dividend into nominal value into shares we doesn't have, so investment by market value, shares only na, rupees 12, 1, 2, 3 by 80 rupees equal to, same thing this one, just a second. Sorry, a small mistake is there writing the question. Okay, they have not given me this one. Also, when I'm writing that, you have to find out the rate of dividend. Again, how can I write the dividend? This one is not there. Okay, sorry. Many questions I have read. Okay, only this is a change, and everything is okay. Next, this one, it doesn't have the dividend. So dividend percentage into nominal is how much? 25 into rupees 12, 1, 2, 3 by rupees 30. Okay, so now cancel. Red marker, I will do the cancellation. Cancelled, and here 0 here cancelled, and here 1 cancelled, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12 cancelled, and okay, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 cancelled, so 1 ja 150 cancelled. Okay, so now we are having, what are the things we are having 15 multiply 150 is there, equal to dividend percentage into 25 into 400 we have rupees. Okay, now solve for dividend percentage. When you solve, you know how to cross multiply. Any other more things are there? Okay, so your answer will be 22.5%. Okay, so simple, na? Very simple. Okay, but this one is not as simple as this one. It is also more simple. Okay, well, let me see, I'm having the space or not. Let's see. Okay, so what I have to find out right over here. So annual dividend both the companies. So annual dividend of this company. I'll erase this one, so I'll have the space for this one. Okay, copy. Okay, copied. Okay, from I will take the place of this one also. It's done, na? Okay, can I erase this one? Okay, so need a space as I'm saying you. Okay, so for this one, annual dividend of company hai. So annual dividend 1 plus annual dividend 2 is equal to 1340. So how much? This is right. Okay, so 8 by 100 into rupees into 8 by 100 into shares of nominal value. The shares we don't know. So how much? Investment is same, na? Annual incomes on this one. Okay, investment we don't know. So investment you write I only. By market value is 110 is equal to 7 by 100 into 2050. Okay, into I by same value, na? 44. Both are I. Okay, investment will be same thing, na? Okay, now add na sum. Now that's why I'm cancelling. See, 1340. Okay, now let us cancel them. 100 cancelled, 1 ja 2 ja. Okay, now anything is left to cancel? No. So what is being left? So 8I by 110 plus 7I by 88 is equal to 1340. Okay, now more further it is cancelable. Yes, 2 4 ja, 255 ja, not possible. So it will be 4 by 55 plus 7i by 88 is equal to 1340. So LCM will be, so there you go. This is the value of investment. 8,800 is the investment. I did the calculation. See, simple calculation. So I got the investment. There we have to find out the investment only. See, we got the investment according to what they are saying we'll do. So we got the investment as 8,800. There is a sum. That's why add. Clear? The next one, the last one. There you go. The last one. Here also annual dividend plus annual dividend of 2. Okay. Now I have a space. Dividend 1 plus annual dividend 2 is equal to 560. Annual dividend, how to find out? Again the same process. 6 by 100 into 100 into investment by 140. This investment I have assumed as X, that will be remaining value. You can take this one as, that one as X, this one as remaining value, your wish, your convenience. Okay, so 5 by 100 multiply rupees 100 into 13500 minus X by 125. Okay, plus na equal to 560. So let us solve. This hundreds I like very much because it will be easily cancelled. Now 2 3 is 6, 270 ja. Next, no, not possible. Next, okay, 5 1 ja, 5 2 is 10, 25 5 is 25. Okay, so what are being left? 3x by 70 is there, plus here it will be 13500 minus x by 25 is equal to rupees 560. Okay, anything else is being left which I am missing? No, right. Okay, 70 is there, 13500. Okay, right. Now I have to take out the LCM. Okay, so there you go. I did the calculation. Okay, simple calculation. You see everything is there. So x value is 7,000. So the investment which is done by man in company E is 7,000. Whatever that one, you simply minus 13,500 minus 7,000. You will get the answer. So this is a very simple question. See the how they have represent a single question in 3 different way to make you confused. But as I told you, the students who are being getting taught from me, so they will not get confused because I have gathered everything. Okay, and I am giving you by placing it on a thali. Okay, just like a non-veg thali or veg thali, whatever you say, everything is there in a thali. The thing is that how you utilize it. Okay, so it's done. So we have completed this. There you go. This is your next question. So let me read the question for you. These are the 2 similar questions that I have written together. So we are going to deal the question together because they are quite similar and the teacher is trying to make you confused. So I will read a question for you. The first one. Okay, a man buys 50 share of a company which pays 12% dividend. He buys the shares at a price that his profit is 15% on the investment. At what price did he buy the shares? Means we have to find out the market value indirectly. Okay, what about the next question? The next point he is saying, the next question, a dividend of 9% was declared on rupees 100 selling out at a certain price. If the rate of return is 7.1/2%, calculate the market value of the share and the amount to be invested to obtain the annual dividend of 630. Now in both the case, if you will see market value, they have gave you market value directly, but in this case they are saying you have to find out the market value by some other way. At what price did he buy the share? So indirectly they are saying to find out the market value only, but there in that case they have given you the market value that you find out directly the market value. So don't get confused with the question. Okay, the next one. So this is the formula, common formula. As you know, I have told you that whenever you have the profit percentage or they say profit percentage is there, in that case rate of return, means both are same thing. Don't get confused. That's why I have written the question together. Okay, both are similar question, but the question is they have given you in such a way that they will make you confused. Okay, the teachers are there to make you confused. I'm not saying about me. Okay, normally the teachers. Okay, means the school teachers, they will see that. Okay, so now I have written the formula. So I told you return percentage and the profit percent both are same. Okay, so now you will no need to write the formula, just place the values according to the profit or return, we'll get the answer. So 15 multiply market value we need to find out equal to dividend they gave you 12 and nominal value is how much? Nominal value is 100 or 50 rupees. Okay, now market value is equal to 112 into 50 by 15. So 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So how much? 40. So nominal value, market value of these shares are rupees 40. So it's so simple. Okay, so simple is there. So 40 answer. Okay, right. I'm just clearing it whether it's 40 or not. Okay, we got the right answer is 40. Okay, so next one, there also same thing will apply to get the market value. Okay, so now it's a rate of return. So 15 by 2. Okay, convert into normal fraction into market value. You have to find out. Okay, is equal to dividend percentage is how much? 9% into nominal value is 100. Okay, so market value is equal to 9 multiply 100 into 2 by 15. 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, 5 20 ja. So 3 2 ja 6, 120 is your market value in this case. See, simple calculation, we know this type of calculation we did many times. So simple calculation and your answer is 120, right answer. The next one. Okay, so what is the next thing we have to find out? We have to find out the investment. This case is done, is easy. Now we have to find out the investment when the annual dividend is 630. Okay, so according to annual dividend, what is the formula? We know the formula. Annual dividend is equal to the dividend. Dividend is how much? Dividend is 9 by 100 percentage we are converting, and into the nominal value we know the formula equal to rupees 100 into the shares. Shares we doesn't have, so how to find out the share? Investment by market value. Investment is not there, sir. So okay, right, investment we don't know. We have to find out the investment by market value. We got the answer as 120 120. Okay, now we have to solve for investment. So whatever multiply is there, we'll go divide will multiply. So 630, this will go upside, opposite reciprocal. Okay, and this will come down opposite, and this will down is go upside. Okay, equal to investment, which we have to find out. Okay, when you're going to solve this one, 100 cancelled. Where I'm having a red pen. Okay, cancel, and after that 3 3 is 9, 3 40 is 12, 3 4 is 12, and 0, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 1 0. So when you multiply, 8400 is your investment. So you understood how simple the question is. They make you confused, but don't get confused. A very simple question. Whenever they say profit or return, rate of return, you will apply this formula, you'll get your answer. So these are the two similar question. And okay, next one.